Hello everyone. Every time we are selling a product or service, we are selling the benefit of that product or service. Benefits is the reason for customers to buy any of our products or services. It is called the big B because if the customer or customers do not see any value or understand the value of the product they are buying, then they will not buy. I would like to share with you 4 concepts to position the benefits in the mind of our customers. Concept number 1 is increase. We need to increase the value for our customers. We need to increase profit, efficiency, quality, and productivity. This is concept number 1. Concept number 2, decrease. We need to decrease cost, manual work, operational work, decrease inefficiency, and decrease expenditures. Concept number 3, maintain. What do we need to maintain? We need to maintain our image in the market. We need to maintain our quality and our market share. We need to maintain our standard. That is why we need to focus on the concept of maintaining. Concept number 4 is peace of mind. Peace of mind is very important to all of us. That is why this benefit applies to intangible products such as insurance, life insurance, home insurance, car insurance. In conclusion, every time we are selling a product or service, we need to sell the big B. Increase, decrease, maintain, and peace of mind. Without them, we cannot sell any product or any service. Please, if you like this video, press like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.